I'm standing in a place here which is one of Victoria's hidden jewels, and it has some amazing landscapes. If you just have a look around here, you can see what I mean. These cliffs are left from all the alluvial mining of the gold rush, and just have a look at this. Amazing stuff. This has all been washed away by hydraulic sluicing for the gold contained in the gravels. It's just a sensational scene. Just love the colour in this place. It's so rich red colours here. Fantastic stuff. Look at that. So vivid. Orange and yellows, reds. And this is why they call it Red Knob. This little island left behind by the miners. Don't ask me why they left it behind, but for some reason they left that one big red knob behind. It's amazing to think that all the land between there and Red Knob was just washed away by the early miners. That's a hell of a lot of dirt, and all this dirt from this whole section here has just been washed away by hydraulic sluicing, leaving all these mounds of boulders, river boulders, that they've stacked up in heaps there, and right down at the bottom is the bedrock, which is something they couldn't wash away. Just on dusk now. I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I made myself a bit of a fire, and there it is. Our raviolis warming up here. I'm going to have myself a hot meal because I'm hungry. Yum yum. It's heating up nicely. Very peaceful time of the day actually. Birds chirping, nice and quiet. I can feel the cold on my back though, so it's going to get cold tonight. Here I am in the bush outside of Taradale, and the sun's gone down. It's starting to get a little bit darkish, but I should be right. In it, that's all folks.